Good morning, classmates. Good morning, Ma'am Doroteo. This is the work of Group 5. I hope you like it. Instead of using your cell phone, have some spare time to do exercises to maintain or improve your health.
Nope.
Do not tolerate or train yourself to drink such as soft drinks or any junk. Instead, drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Stop sleeping up late. Try to finish your activities or works as early as possible to avoid or prevent unhealthy habits.
Stop smoking. That's bad for you before it's too late. No, it's fine. Doctors can find ways. No, disciplining yourself is better than staying in a hospital and looking for a cure. Here, start eating healthy. Thank you for your concern. I really appreciate that. From today, I will stop smoking and start eating healthy.
Thank you.